This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Travis Fox. Completely remodeled home, walking distance to Cap Sante Marina and the bay. From the foundation to the peak of the roof, everything has been redone on this 1,637 square feet 4-bedroom and 2-bath home. Rebuilt foundation, new roof / siding / windows, all new kitchen with white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, stainless appliances, vinyl plank flooring in living areas and carpet in the bedrooms. Primary suite on main floor with dual vanity bathroom and walk-in shower with tile surround. Brand new tile floors in both bathrooms. Huge detached shop / garage with extra storage or workspace. Extra off-street parking off the alley as well. 2 front doors with ability to have a mother-in-law suite or separate 1-bedroom unit. Many options. For more information, review the details below or contact Travis Fox at 360-734-7500.